So this is the next one here. Little 928 cat loader. Gonna bore out. We got it all set up. I'll test out these new mounts. This side's pretty bad. This one's not too bad. And then we got to do this one next. On to the next. Alright, so we got the cleanup pass done. Just cleaned him out. We got this guy round again. Had to take off about a 1/4 inch to get underneath all the bearing material that was pushed in there. It was pretty nasty. But got it all cleaned up. Now we're gonna set up the bore welder and probably do 2 passes and hopefully only 1 on that side, and then clean it up. Alright, got the bore welder in here now. Welding away. Doing its thing. So we'll put a pass there. Probably 2 over here. And then start cutting it back out. Welding good. You just kind of watch it. We're running about 21 volts. Alright, we're adding the second pass on this one. This wasn't quite enough meat on it for me to call it good with 1 pass. So we're going to add some more to it. They'll clean up little divots like that. This one actually welded out pretty nice, except for a couple little spots, but it was actually welding really nice. 1 more pass and then we'll start on the other side. It's probably going to take at least 3, probably 4 or 5. We'll see. Alright, on to the next side. Got this guy buzzing, working pretty good. We got this hole, you can't really tell, but it's all welded up. We put 2 passes on it, and just to get up to where it was going to be good. And then we'll cut these out once this one's ready to go, but this one's going to take probably 4 passes, I would assume, at least, probably 5, but we'll get her done. Alright, so we got done with these bores, and now we're on to the Z-bar. I'm going to cut both holes at the same time, somewhat. Get this done, and then we gotta get this one round. This one's just getting 1 cleanup pass, and then we'll weld them, and then we'll size them back to the original size. This one's pretty quick and simple, but we'll bring you back once we get the welding bar in there. So this is what we look for too when you're cutting these bores. I don't know if you can see that little hole there. Looks like previous weld coming delaminated from underneath. So our bore is pretty well round now, but Now that we found that, we got to cut that out. All done, back on. Just about wraps this one up.